Today, a classical from Italy, not baked dessert. It's tiramisu. Came out nice. Please watch the video. A nice recipe from Italy. Get sweet. I was a bit sleepy and I was thinking I need something energetic, something doing any good. That is tiramisu. It's time for sweeties. For dessert, the best dessert, Italian dessert, is tiramisu cake. This it's called tiramisu because we're gonna give you energy. And it's made with espresso coffee. I made espresso coffee with this machine. And cacao powder, sugar, mascarpone, cheese. This is made in the US. You can find it around the stores. I make some and I didn't make it, but I will make the tiramisu with Grand Marnier. This is a liqueur made from oranges. If you don't like, you can use rum, or you don't use alcohol at all. You just use regular aromas with no alcohol if you serve this to the kids. But I'm using this. I don't serve this to the kids. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, Savoiardi or ladyfingers, they are called, Savoiardi in Italian. 6 egg yolks, and this is all. Let's start to make our tiramisu. To start our tiramisu, we start with our 6 yolks. These are the 6 yolks from eggs from my chicken. Like I told you, I have some chicken. And 3/4 cups of sugar. We mix the sugar with eggs. And after the eggs are mixed with sugar, we will cook here the eggs over the water. Bain-marie. The eggs are cooked at around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. They are safe at that temperature and they will not be overcooked. When we use low flame, the water has to be hot. The bowl doesn't have to touch the water. And dissolve the sugar and achieve 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now 90 degrees, still around 9 minutes. If you don't have the laser, will be lighter in color. The color of the eggs will be lighter, yellow, and the sugar will dissolve and will be a bit thicker. That's the way to check. Now is the turn of the mascarpone cheese. Add in this bowl our 16 ounce or 450 grams. It's Italian cream cheese. We'll mix it here with 3 tablespoons of Grand Marnier. 2 or 3, depends how you like. I like the aroma of this liqueur. 2.5, it's enough. And we are mixing with the mixer. Very gentle, easy, until we achieve a nice cream. Okay, I think it's enough. Our mascarpone is soft now, and it's ready to receive our eggs. The eggs are cooled down a little bit. It's a room temperature now, you see. Very nice and creamy and beautiful. The sugar it's melted. They are nice, you see, very beautifully incorporated. And now we'll mixing our eggs with the mascarpone, achieve an ice cream. Mix our eggs with sugar and with mascarpone cheese, like this. We are using the whisk to mix it. We are using the whisk and mix gentle to form a nice cream. Beautiful. Not the secret is not incorporate air in our cream, in the whipping cream. Stay and mix gentle and slow, and to achieve a smooth cream and nice. Our cream is mixed, the eggs and mascarpone, sugar and Grand Marnier. This is what we achieved. Very nice smooth cream, you see, like this. And now we'll prepare our whipping cream and mix with the mascarpone. Let's start with the whipping cream. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in a cold bowl, cold heavy whipping cream. We pour here our heavy whipping cream, good quality and beautiful, like this. And we are using our mixer. We are mixing easy for like 3 minutes. Okay, our whipping cream is ready. You see, it's not so firm. This is the way to make it for the tiramisu. Now we are using half of our whipping cream, like this, and we are folding in like this to achieve a beautiful cream for our tiramisu. Ooh, already smells wonderful. Now we added the other half of whipping cream, mixing very gentle. We're gonna obtain a firm cream. Always fold in like this, and don't mix like crazy. Ooh. Our espresso coffee, I made it with this machine, 1.5 cups. We're mixing the easy the coffee with another 2-3 tablespoons of Grand Marnier. Okay, I think this is enough. 2 tablespoons of Grand Marnier, or room, or whatever you like. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mix it a little bit. Okay, this is all. And we are the smell is wonderful. And we are dipping our ladyfingers or savoiardi very quick into the coffee, and then we are preparing our pan. You take one by one, just like this, dip a little bit, very fast, using them this way. Dip, and that's all. Don't dip them too much, just fast. The coffee, it's espresso. It's a strong coffee. Will be very moist and juicy with coffee, the cream, a layer of cream, another layer of savoiardi, and cream on top. Just like this. We are building our first layer of savoiardi with coffee. Okay, this is our first layer of Savoiardi right here. Now we add our mascarpone cream on top, where we add our cream just like this. Be generous, okay? Our tiramisu is the best in town. Coming from Italy, my mother used to do this at home. Is still doing. Okay, and this is the best one. Using this to spread it nice and beautiful all over the place. Because the tiramisu has to look beautiful too, not just taste good, but has to look wonderful. It's a dessert. Everybody loves tiramisu. This one, if you go to Italy, you find tiramisu everywhere. Everybody serves, everybody make tiramisu at home, at restaurants, everywhere. Okay, this is what I did, you see, cover well. And now we build another layer of Savoiardi on top and the remaining mascarpone, the last layer. Now we go with the rest of the mascarpone here, the cream. We finish our tiramisu, and this we're gonna go in the fridge for at least 6 hours. It's best to put in fridge overnight, make it 1 day in advance, and serve it the next day. 1 night in the fridge, or at least 6 hours. Spread our cheese on top, beautiful like this. Tiramisu pronto. In fridge 6 hours or overnight, and soon it's done. Our tiramisu is out of the fridge. I kept it in the fridge for overnight, like 12 hours. And now we're applying the last ingredient, the cocoa. It's a special dark 100% cocoa. We apply with a sifter, just a tiny layer on the top like this. You can apply more or less. It's just for look and for flavor. Just like this. Yeah, looks great. I think we got enough. Okay, and now this is the final product, our tiramisu. Looks wonderful, and it's time to taste it. This is a small piece of tiramisu, you see the Savoiardi layers and the mascarpone cream. Looks wonderful. We're gonna taste it and see what happened. The teaspoon, and now we're gonna taste. It's soft and nice. Got some coffee inside. Came out very well. It's sweet. I can taste the orange from Grand Marnier. It's very good. Italian tiramisu. I hope you make it. This is the way. Enjoy it and see you next time. Ciao ciao.